Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we did about letter writing in formal letters, right? Today I'll be telling you some important facts about how to write a paragraph or how to describe a picture, right? It will help you a lot in the later run also. जब आप बड़े होंगे, when you'll be in the elder classes, at that time also this paragraph writing or picture description is a must in the grammar, in the writing portion. So without wasting time, let us move to today's session, right? Now as you can see, I have taken out a picture that we have already done. This is a chapter that we have already done. Can you tell me which is this chapter? Yes children, this is the chapter of family. Here is that boy named Sid and it is his grandma. That we already know. Why? Because we have already learned this chapter. This picture is on page 33 of our book. Now today I am going to tell you some facts or some useful keys कि आप picture description कैसे लिख सकते हो, right? So let us begin with today's session. That is on page number 33. We are going to describe this picture. We will be describing this picture, right? So मैं जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ पे book adjust कर देती हूँ so that आपको book और मेरा writing दोनों दिखे. Is it visible? Okay. So the first thing is, in picture description or in the paragraph writing, we will write a paragraph. हम point wise नहीं लिखेंगे. We will write a paragraph. Clear? चलिए. So let us start. First of all, what you can see in this picture. So it is a picture of a kitchen. So we will write the first sentence. It is a picture of kitchen. Now instead of kitchen, if it would be a picture of school, or it would be a picture of classroom, or it would be a picture of bus stand, or it would be a picture of railway station, anything. So first of all children, you have to name that picture कि ये scene आपको किस चीज का दिखा रहा है, आपको क्या दिखा रहा है. Some of you can write it is a picture of a dining room. You can write if it is a picture of a dining hall. That is also fine. Clear? Now what else do you see? यहाँ ऐसे मत लिखिए. Generally last year तक हम क्या लिखते थे? There is one boy, there is one lady, there is one bottle, there is one plate. No. Try to write some interesting lines so that teacher को भी पढ़ने में मजा आए, and at the same time it improves your vocabulary too. Clear? चलिए. So what you can see in the picture is there is a boy and there is a grandmother. Right? चलिए. So we will write that sentence. There is a. Instead of a boy, we can write a small boy or a young boy. Right? Try to use adjectives. Try to use more verbs. There is a young boy. क्या कर रहा है वो? Who is eating food. Full stop. There is a young boy who is eating food. Now we will talk about this lady. What is this lady doing? T-H-E-R-E. There is a lady who seems to be the boy apostrophe S, boy's grandmother. हमें ऐसा लगता है पिक्चर देख के, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये इनकी grandmother होगी. So there is a lady who seems to be the boy's grandmother. Clear? What is she doing? She is cleaning the vessel. She is cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning the vessels. What is vessels? Vessels माने बर्तन. V-E-S-S-E-L-S. Vessels. She is cleaning the vessels. Right. Now try to add some more what you can say detailing for the pictures. जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि जैम की बोतल है या हनी की बोतल है, उसमें से हनी निकल रहा है. So we can write that the boy has spread the honey on table. Right? The boy has spread honey on the table. खाते खाते उसने गिराया है. Right? Now, can you see this something over here? What is this? This is a microwave oven, or this is a sink, or these are some chairs. तो instead of writing there is one chair, there is one table, there is one microwave, हम detailing के साथ लिख सकते हैं. Let's say for example, the boy is eating alone on his dining table. Full stop. Understood? राइट इससे हमने क्या किया, वी डिड द डाइनिंग टेबल जो हमें दिख रहा है उसके बारे में भी हमने दिखा दिया. एट द सेम टाइम वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द बॉय. एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट वी डिड, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉय एंड इज डाइनिंग टेबल ऑल्सो. क्लियर? नाउ अगर हमें माइक्रोवेव के बारे में दिखाना है तो जनरली व्हाट डू यू राइट देयर इज अ माइक्रोवेव ऑन द टेबल. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी विल राइट some food is also seen in the oven. Right? Seen की जगह पे you can write kept also. Some food is also seen या some food is also kept in the oven. So instead of writing, basically my point is children कि instead of writing कि there is a oven, there is a table, there is a chair, instead of writing try to add details to the answers, to the sentences that you are writing. So some food is also kept in the oven. Right? Now the sink, there is a tap in the sink. So in this sentence you will write द सिंक. सिंक माने वॉश बेसिन, जो पूरा जहाँ पे खाना वो ये वेसल्स वॉश किए जाते हैं उनको बोलता है सिंक. द सिंक इज फिल्ड विथ सोप वाटर. कैन यू सी द वाइट फ्यूम्स? राइट? तो ये क्यों है? ये साबुन का पानी है. सो द सिंक इज फिल्ड विथ सोप वाटर. सी इट इज वेरी इजी. एज यू कैन सी मैंने कितने सारे सेंटेंसेस लिख लिए. And I can go on, right? If you want to add details that the tablecloth is blue in color. The grandmother is wearing an apron. Can you see this apron? जो मम्मी पहनते हैं जब खाना बनाते हैं क्योंकि उनके कपड़े ना बिगड़े. So there is an apron. So you can write basically this is how you write generally when you are describing the picture. Minimum of 7 sentences is to be written. Why? Because अगर describing picture 5 marks का है, at least write 2 more sentences so that your grammatical errors or your spelling mistakes can be seen or cut off. As you can see this picture we have written beautifully. बातें करते करते हमने अच्छे से picture description कर दिया है. It is a picture of kitchen. There is a young boy who is eating food. There is a lady who seems to be the boy's grandmother. She is cleaning the vessels. The boy has spread the honey on table. The boy is eating alone on his dining table. Some food is also kept or seen in the oven. The sink is filled with soap water. Clear? चलिए हमने इतने सारे sentences लिख लिए. So basically picture describing अगर आप there is a boy, there is a girl लिखेंगे that is a general sentence. Try to add more details. Try to frame different sentences. Right? जितना practice करेंगे उतना आपको ज़्यादा आएगा. सब for example I will be giving you. Can you see this picture on the next page? This picture, right? What you can do is you can tick it and mark it as HW. This would be your CW then, right? आपका CW आज का ये रहेगा. You have to write this picture description in your notebook and this would be your homework. Describe this picture. Page number 32 का जो picture है, you have to think and you have to make sentences and then you have to write. Clear? Minimum of 7 sentences. आपको 7 sentences compulsory लिखने हैं. उससे ज़्यादा लिखेंगे then there is not a problem. But you have to write at least 7 sentences. Clear? चलिए. Hope you enjoyed this session. We'll be meeting tomorrow again. Till then, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.